Wealthsimple Tax is a user-friendly platform designed to simplify tax filing. Here's how to use it effectively. Create or log into your account. Go to Wealthsimple Tax and sign up or log in using your existing Wealthsimple account credentials. Start a new tax return. Once logged in, select Start New Return. Follow the prompts to enter your basic information, such as personal details and tax year. Enter your income information. Input your income details. You can manually enter information or import data directly from your financial institutions and employers using the Import feature. Add deductions and credits. Enter any eligible deductions and credits to maximize your refund or minimize taxes owed. Wealthsimple Tax provides guidance on common deductions and credits. Review your tax return. Use the platform's built-in review tools to check for errors or missing information. Wealthsimple Tax will highlight potential issues or areas requiring attention. File your return. Once you're satisfied with your return, you can file it electronically through the platform. Wealthsimple Tax supports e-filing for quick submission. Track your return. After filing, track the status of your return directly on the platform. Wealthsimple Tax provides updates on processing and any actions needed.